Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed veg rice. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of basmati rice, soaked for 30 minutes, and 2 cups of your favorite mixed vegetables, like carrots, peas, and green beans. Don't forget 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a small piece of ginger. We'll also use common spices such as cumin seeds, turmeric powder, and garam masala for that perfect flavor. Now let's get everything prepped. Begin by finely chopping your onion, garlic, and ginger. These will form the aromatic foundation of our dish. Next, dice all your mixed vegetables into small, uniform pieces to ensure even cooking. Remember to thoroughly drain your soaked basmati rice. Finally, measure out 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil or ghee, and we're ready to move to the stove. It's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee in a pot over medium heat, then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds until they splutter. Next, sauté the chopped onion, garlic, and ginger until they turn a lovely golden brown. Add your diced mixed vegetables and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in the drained rice, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, along with 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then cover and simmer on low heat for 15 minutes until all the water is absorbed. Almost there. Once the rice is cooked, turn off the heat but keep the pot covered for another 5 minutes. This allows the steam to finish cooking the grains perfectly. Then gently fluff the rice with a fork to separate those beautiful individual grains. For a fresh touch, garnish with a generous sprinkle of fresh chopped cilantro. Your delicious, aromatic mixed veg rice is now ready to be served hot, perhaps with a side of raita or your favorite pickle. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.